Hello, Happy New Year to everyone, and welcome to the very first tutorial of 2024. The last time I posted a rehearsal of mine playing all keys, and someone asked me to explain and then show my fingers so that they could see what I was playing. And if you want to be able to play every key, it's very simple. Kindly pay attention and listen to me because if you listen to me, it's going to help you a lot, especially if you're a beginner. All right, so we have 12 physical keys, like, from A flat, sorry, A sharp or B flat. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. We have 12 of them that you need to learn. Okay, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 of them are white keys, and then 5 of them are black keys. All right, so if you haven't learned anything about the piano, I have a playlist for beginners in my playlist that has 53 videos that you can go and watch before you come to this part. All right, so because what I'm about to play, I'm going to be adding inversions. I could be playing simple or complex, but if you understand the beginning part of the piano, the one that I taught, you should be able to understand. So I'm not going to explain the inversions or whatever I'm playing. I'm just going to give you the numbers so that you understand. All right, so let's start from C. Okay. Now, if you pick a key, let's say this is C. It has solfege 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We have 7 notes that we can form chords from. Let's take it as a beginner because all these notes that I skipped are notes that you can form chords and still play them in key C. But we are dealing with these 7 notes for now. And if you had learned the chords or course, that this is a course, COURSE, the course that I did for my beginner crash, you would have understood that you can form a major chord on the chord 1, on the note 1, a minor chord on the note 2, minor on the note 3, major on 4, major on 5, minor on 6, diminished on 7, and then back to 1. So those of you who have been asking me about I should explain more about minor chords. When you pick the scale, 2 and 3 and 6 are minor. 7 is diminished. 1, 4, and 5 are major. So now let's start playing. Now, okay, before we play, the last thing. If you can play all 7 notes in chords, that's all. So we are going to be playing the chords in a descending way, like 1, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 5, and then 1. So you see, it's just like playing 1, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. But we are playing it in a progression. So for I think I'm playing much way above what I'm supposed to be teaching you. So, okay, so 1. So those who want to see my hand, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and then 5, 1. And then a simple way of modulating, okay. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, then you play 2 over 5, then back to 1. We're modulating. Okay, then move to D. Seven, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and then 2 over 5, then back to 1. Okay, so we modulate again. Then hold on, we're on D, so we will now come to E flat. Alright, so E flat, 7, 6, 5, we're moving to 4, 3, and then 2, then 2 over 5, back to 1. Okay, we are moving to key E. 1, 7, 6, 5, moving to 4, 3, and then 2, then 2 over 5, back to 1. We're modulating. We are moving to F. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, moving to 2, then 2 over 5, back to 1. We are modulating again. 1, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 2 over the 5. Then we are modulating again to G. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Then move back to 5. Back to G. Now we are moving to G sharp. This is 1, 6, 5, 4, 3, then 2, then 2 over 5, back to G sharp. We are moving to A. 7, 5, 4, 3, then 2, 2/5, back to 1. We're modulating again. B flat. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, then 2/5, back to 1. Now we're moving to B, so we modulate 1, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, then 2/5, back to B, and then the last one again C, I've played C before. Alright, so if you follow this, you should be able to play every key within a few months. But you should understand why you're playing, because you should be able to figure them out. You should be able to identify them on the keyboard. And if that would take you time, take that time and then learn. You know, this year, if you give yourself 3 months of consistency, you should be able to do a lot. And this progression is just a descending progression where you play 1, 7, 5, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Instead of playing 1, you play 5 and then 1. All right. So see you in the next tutorial. And then if you want a one-on-one training section with me live or on Zoom, get in touch with me and then I'll respond. And you know, it's a paid tuition where you pay me to teach you. But if you want a free course, you can go to my playlist and then, you know, use the videos and equally learn. But for the paid one, you can get me on Zoom. We structure a lesson plan, we follow. I meet with you at a specific time. You play, I review whatever you're doing, and then we move on. So see you in the next tutorial. Bye-bye.